This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the strongest frame, pause the shot where the subject looks active and clear. Once selected, export that frame at full resolution, 1920 by 1080, so you have room to crop and scale. Make sure to prioritize contrast and isolation of your subject because thumbnails work at glance. Bold, simple images read better. While you're doing this, open a basic editor and import the frame so you can start composing immediately. Now you compose. Crop to the final ratio and position the subject off-center to create visual tension. This helps eyes land on the most important element. Once done, apply modest contrast and sharpening, about 10 to 20%, so details survive mobile compression. Make your text big and simple, use no more than 3 words, and choose a color that pops against the background. Also, add a subtle outline or shadow to keep letters legible on varied screens. Finish by exporting the thumbnail at highest quality, but respect file limits. JPG is usually fine. Then preview it on a phone. This step is crucial, because thumbnails mostly live on small screens and you must ensure the subject and text remain readable. If something looks off, go back and tweak scale, contrast, or text weight. One quick troubleshooting tip: if the image looks soft, reopen the original frame and export again, or bump sharpening slightly. That fixes most blurriness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.